So far in our decimal unit, what have we done? We've modeled decimals, we've ordered them, we've compared them, we've added them, we've subtracted them. Today we're going to start multiplying them, all right? And we're actually going to start by multiplying a decimal, like 7/100ths, by a whole number, like 4. So what does this actually mean? Well, it means that we've got 4 times 7/100ths, or we've got 7/100ths 4 times, right? 7/100ths, 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 and 7/100ths. In reality, we're adding it 4 times, right? 7/100ths plus 7/100ths plus 7/100ths plus 7/100ths. So how do we model that? Well, I guess we can model it by shading in 7/100ths 4 different times, and then we can count it up and see what we got. So let's try it. I'm going to shade in each time I do 7/100ths, I'm going to do it in a different color so we can see. So let's see. So first I'm going to do 7/100ths. So remember, each of these boxes is 100th because there's 100 boxes. So here's 100th, 200ths, 300ths, 400ths, and 500ths, 600ths, and 700ths. So there's 700ths one time. Let's use a different color and shade in another 700ths. So let's see. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go back to the top. 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 700ths times 2. Let's do 700ths again times 3, right? Different color. 100th, oops, 200ths, I am an artist. 300ths, 400ths, 500ths, 600ths, 700. So there's 700ths times 3. I need to do it one more time, right? 700ths times 4. So last color. 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 700. So there it is, 700 times 4. So now, what's my answer? What do I have here? How many hundredths do I have? Well, I can start by, remember, each of these columns is a tenth. So how many tenths do I have? 1/10, 2/10, and then how many hundredths do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I've got, let's see, my answer is going to be, I've got what? 0 ones. How many tenths did I say again? 2/10, right? 1/10, 2/10, and how many hundredths? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hundredths. So the answer is 28 hundredths. And if I count them up, I would say 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. I shaded in 28 hundredths. So 4 times 7 hundredths is 28 hundredths. Let's try another one. Let's try this one over here on the right. Now, in this one, we have 200th charts because our answer might be more than one whole. So let's try that out. So now I got 54 hundredths times 3. So let's start shading them in. I'll start with yellow, so 54 hundredths. So I'm just going to shade in this whole row because this is, 1/10. Here's 2/10. Here's 3/10. 4/10. Oops. 4/10. This is not the neatest thing. And 5/10. So there's 50 hundredths, and now I need 4 more, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 54 hundredths, right? If you count them, you'll count 54 boxes. So that's 54 hundredths one time, but I got to do it 2 more times, right? Because it's times 3. So let's change colors. So let's see. I need to do 54 again. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6. There's 16. There's 26. There's 36. There's 46. 47. 48. 49. 50. 51. 52. 53. 54. Okay, see how I did it? I didn't want to skip a line. I kind of want to do it all together. So I just counted 6 here, and then another 10, and another 10, and another 10, and another 10, and then whatever was left over. So there's 54 hundredths times 2. I need to do it one more time, right? So let's see. 100th, 2 hundredths. Well, 2 hundredths 2 plus 10 is 12 hundredths. 22 hundredths. 32 hundredths. 42 hundredths. 52 hundredths. 53 hundredths. 54 hundredths. All right, so I've got 54 hundredths here in yellow, 54 hundredths in blue, 54 hundredths in green. So what do I have all together? How many hundredths? So let's see. Well, I have this whole box is filled in, right? So I have one whole. So my answer is going to be 1, and then what do I have left over? Well, here I've got 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10. I've got 6/10. And then how many hundredths do I have? 2. So what do I have shaded in all together? 1 and 62 hundredths. So 54 hundredths 3 times is 1 and 62 hundredths. All right. Go ahead and try and answer the problem of the day.